When I started my chiropractic practice, the internet wasn't even a thing. I built the practice on the back of two things. We reached out to a community at least once a month and we did a spinal screening. We checked people's posture, we talked to them about what was important to them, and we offered them a solution. And in those days then, when we would run a community-based screening, it was nothing for us to get 50 to 70 new patient appointments from a day. Like, it's wild. And then I started to notice our spinal screenings, that 50 to 70 started to be 40 to 50, and then 30, and then 20. And then sometimes we'd spend a whole day there and we'd get 10 appointments. When something's really changing here. This was the beginning of this on-demand, the very early stages where people would say to me, have you got it on a cassette that I can have a listen to? That really dates me, doesn't it? And so I noticed a shift was kind of happening at that stage. We set up a website, and my website at the time, nobody was coming to it, and I was ranked on about the 3rd page of the website. And I did a little bit of reading, and what I found at that stage is that one of the things that kind of helped the ranking of a website was to make videos and to put videos on your website. So I thought, I'd do that. I kind of liked cameras and bits and pieces. I started to make some short little videos, and over the next 3 months, my website went from ranked on the 3rd page to the top of the 1st page. Now that was interesting because we then ended up starting to get somewhere between 3 and 4 patients a week referred to us. Did the maths on that, and it brought in about 140 grand into my practice that year. It's a lot of money.